Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae. To my subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. And to the newbies, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this wig that I have on my head that I've been wearing for the past week. And I have to say, this is my favorite wig ever. So this wig is from Hairvivi. And I will have the link down below of where you can purchase it if you would like to. And I also have a discount code that you can use if you want to purchase this wig. So I've been on the hunt for a really good everyday get up and go wig. And when I tell you this wig is everything and more to me in my life, it really is. Just by looking at it, it looks like this wig is slicked, gelled, glued, slayed down to my head, right? But it's not. I put this wig on in literally 2 minutes without gluing anything down, and this wig is not going anywhere. It is nice and secured on my head right now. Okay, so quickly I want to show you guys how the wig looked straight out of the box. This is how the wig looked. As you can see, the parting looks very nice and natural already. Like just taking it straight out of the box, just placing it on my hand, it looks like it could be a scalp already because the knots are already pre-bleached and the perimeter of the hairline is already pre-plucked. So this wig comes out of the box looking like you can put it straight on your head, which you definitely can. But of course, me being me, I have to customize it to my liking, which didn't take that much effort at all. So I really enjoy how this wig is constructed. I like that it has like bra-like clasps on the back of the elastic so that like it's really secure on the back of your head so that your wig doesn't fall off. It just makes me feel a lot more secure when wearing the wig, and this wig fits my head perfectly, which I really like as well. So this is the inside of the wig. As you can see, the knots are bleached, which makes it a lot easier to blend it in with your scalp. And this wig is not a full like lace, but it does have like a full front piece, which makes your wig look more realistic. But what I'm gonna do is take some foundation in a foundation brush and kind of like paint my wig cap, and this is just gonna help our wig look a lot more natural when putting it on. I like to use my exact foundation shade when doing this because it just matches my scalp a lot better. So I'm just going to show you guys how the perimeter of the outside of the wig looks. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Usually with hairlines, they look very chunky on the outer part and the hairline looks very straight. This one definitely is staggered, but I'm going to pluck it a little bit more, as you'll see in a couple of seconds. Applying the wig was easy. This was my first time ever putting the wig on straight out of the box, and I still have the lace around the front. I'll show you guys how I cut that in a second, but this is how the wig looks. As soon as I put the wig on, honestly guys, I was like, I'm gonna love this wig. Like, I really am. This is how it looks just pulling it back. The hair, honestly, it feels like butter, like butter. When I tell you guys I got so many compliments on this wig, I don't think I've ever got so many compliments on a wig before in my life because it just looks so good. So I think I plucked this wig for about 10 minutes in total, and in between that time I was trying to get Leilani from stealing my makeup, so it really didn't take that long just to pluck a little bit so that the hairline looked a little bit more natural, just in case I wanted to pull my hair back or something. But this honestly didn't take long at all. I didn't have to pluck that many hairs whatsoever. I just wanted it to be a little bit more staggered. But so this is what the hairline looks like after I quickly tweezed it. It just looks a little bit more staggered and a little bit more natural. I'm not going for the super slicked baby hair look either. So what I'm going to do is just open up my part a little bit. Honestly, this part was fine, but I just wanted it opened up just a little bit more. So I used my comb and I pulled the hairs out. If you do this, make sure your knots are bleached, because when your knots are bleached, the hair comes out a lot easier. If your knots aren't bleached, you could possibly rip your lace, so be careful. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks really good, like really good, and I still have the lace on. So I'm going to show you guys how I cut my lace off. I take really small scissors, the ones I use to cut my eyelashes, and I just go really close to the hairline and cut the wig on my head. Cutting the wig on your head helps you to create more of a natural hairline, and you tend to like follow your head shape and all that good stuff. So I like cutting my wigs on my head. It just makes it a lot easier. And as you can see, that lace is just melting to my 5 head. Like it's just melting, like, and I haven't laid it down, and I'm not gonna lay it down, but it just looks so good. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, it just looks so good already, and I didn't even really do anything else to it. So this is what it looks like right after cutting the lace off. I was actually just staring at my hairline because it looked so good. Next, I'm going to go in with some mousse, and I'm just going to take those hairs that are in the front and just kind of swoop them forward. I didn't cut any hair. I didn't use a razor or anything to do this part. Now I'm taking some of the foundation I used earlier, and I'm putting that on a little angled brush and just kind of blending in that cap with my lace so that it doesn't look so obvious. I mean, it looks pretty decent right now, but I'm just trying to make it blend a lot more seamlessly. So just add a little makeup to your part, and honestly, you really don't have to do this again unless you wash the wig. Now I'm going in with some water just to wet the hair. This is the wig straight out of the box. Like, I just wanted to see how it would look wet because I really like how wet and wavy this hair is. And honestly, guys, this wig I can't say it enough, it's so low maintenance. I didn't curl it, I didn't straighten it, it didn't get tangled, and I wore this for a week so far, and this is how it looks. There's no glue, no gel, nothing on my head but the elastic band. This is the next day. I just wanted to see how easy the wig was to apply without it being difficult. So I think I had my timer on for like 5 minutes, and I was trying to see if I could put this wig on and make it look right within 5 minutes. And I did it. I did it for a couple of days. So this is how it looked on day 2. It looked pretty nice still. I just had to adjust my cap a little bit and I was good to go. That's how quick it really was. This is day 3. I'm not going to show you guys all the days because they're very similar, but this is how easy this wig is to apply. I don't have to do the bald cap method. I don't have to like gel anything down. The only thing that I had to do was add a little bit more foundation to my cap because it rubbed off a little bit, but that took like 2 seconds. I think this day I put the wig on in like 3 minutes. So yeah, this is how it looks, and honestly guys, I'm just loving this wig. I've been wearing it non-stop ever since I got it. So if you guys are interested in like getting a wig like this, I will have Hairvivi's link in the description box for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. I made them just for you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay?